Hi everyone, welcome to Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making some homemade mayo. Nice easy recipe, super simple, with a little bit of Dijon mustard just to soup it up a little bit. Ideal for a keto diet or just a delicious thing. Stay tuned, I'll show you how it's done. As you can see, I've assembled everything for the mayonnaise. What I've got is 1 egg here, large, some Dijon mustard, white wine vinegar, olive oil, got some salt as well. You can add that to taste. First thing we've got to do to start this process, I'm going to do it in a kilner jar, so it'll keep nice in the fridge. Just open that up, get the egg, crack her in. Then I've got to give it a blitz for about 20 seconds in the food process with the blender, hopefully. It's not going to go everywhere. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'm just going to whisk all of that up and put this to one side, over there. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and give it a good blob. And a tiny bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to give that another blast. I'm going to leave that in there this time. I'm going to add a tablespoonful of white wine vinegar. Give it another little blast. And next up is the olive oil. And that's 250 millilitres, or 1 cup. I'll just measure that out quickly. It takes a long time when you're actually watching it. Right, so I'm going to tip this in. This is olive oil. Starting to work now, that's good. Just gonna hold this and pull it up. Ooh, wow, that's a funky sound. Right, that mayonnaise is done. I've just got to figure out how to get it out without splurging it everywhere. So it's surprising how quick it goes once it gets going. Just making sure I've got all the last little bits of oil out now. There we go, and that's the olive oil. I think I'm going to get a spatula just to clean it all off. Oops, never mind. I'll get this spatula just to clean it all off and make sure I don't lose any, because it's really thick and pretty creamy. I'm quite happy with that. Good. So here's the finished product. Look, homemade mayonnaise, delicious and keto friendly. What I'm going to do is pop the lid on, stick that in the fridge. So here's the homemade mayonnaise. It turned out brilliant. Very, very happy with the results. Look, I'll show you what it looks like. Look at that, nice and creamy, super good. Stick that in the fridge. I'll be able to have that on all sorts of stuff. Keto friendly as well, because you know what went in it. Do check out my other videos, Ryan G's barbecue and stuff. Lots to choose from. This is going to go in the easy recipe thing / keto, because I'm on a keto diet now. So if you'd like to follow my progress, please do. Be good to have you along. So this is Ryan G from Ryan G's barbecue and stuff. See you again soon. Homemade mayonnaise for my keto diet. So it's